Hi.
I'm the bad guy.
Duh.
So, a few months ago, there was like a big debate between Popeyes and Chick-fil-A on like who had the best chicken sandwich. And I'm pretty sure like a person died or something trying to get one. But I'm gonna be the judge today. And I'm gonna see which one's the best. I have not just those places, but I have like a bunch of places. I'm sorry, but we got the food on Sunday and Chick-fil-A isn't open on Sundays. So we didn't have Chick-fil-A, but we had other places. So I'm sorry. I have my phone and I'm gonna like rate them all. So start with A. This is what it looks like. It has a tomato in it, so I'm going to take that out. I do not like tomatoes. Let's try it. It has a lot of lettuce too. Okay. That is so good. Oh my god, the chicken is so good. For that one, I'll give it 8.5, we'll say. Okay, time for B. The chicken's like more crispy in this one than the last one. I think I like it better. So I'm gonna give B a 9. Okay, now for C. This one's really small. Look at, like, it's really small. And the bun is super smooth, so that gives me like McDonald's vibes, but then also this one has a smooth bun. I don't know. That's my least favorite so far. The chicken's like spicier than the other ones. I'll give that one an 8. And the last one. I think there's like so much lettuce in this one that I can't taste like the chicken as much. I think that one's my new least favorite. It's like not as flavorful as the other ones. I'll give that one like a 6.5. My final answers were A is an 8.5, B is a 9, C is an 8, and D is a 6.5. My favorite is B. Let's see what the places were. My mom just said the answers are at the bottom of the plate. So, let's see. So A is Wendy's. Wow. I barely ever go to Wendy's. Okay. I'll save B for last because that one's my favorite. I knew it. I knew C was McDonald's. I literally said it. Okay. McDonald's vibes. And then D is Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box, you should get better chicken sandwiches. Okay, now for the big reveal, my favorite one. It's Popeyes. I knew it was gonna be something like that. Okay, Popeyes, we didn't have Chick-fil-A, but Popeyes, out of these 4, is my favorite chicken sandwich. That's all for today. Like this video if you liked it. Leave a comment down below what videos you'd like to see. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!